Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
Stop right there for a moment. I know this may sound unbelievable, but if you're over 65 and walking is the only exercise you rely on, you might actually be speeding up muscle loss instead of slowing it down. Hi everyone, I'm a surgeon, and throughout my career I've worked with thousands of older adults, and I keep seeing the same pattern over and over again. Someone proudly tells me they walk every single day. They feel active. They feel healthy. But then they casually mention they struggle to rise from a chair without using their hands, or that they recently had a frightening slip in the bathroom, or that they've stopped traveling because they're afraid of losing their balance on unfamiliar ground. So what's happening here? Why does this occur even in people who are genuinely trying to stay active? The truth is this: walking by itself is a low-resistance activity. It's wonderful for your heart. It's fantastic for your mental well-being. But after age 65, your muscles essentially stop reacting to it. They've adapted. They've heard the signal so many times that it's become background noise. To truly get stronger, your muscles now need a clearer, sharper, more intentional message, a smarter form of stimulation to rebuild what age naturally takes away. And the answer isn't adding more miles to your daily walk. The real solution is adding 5 targeted, surgeon-approved movements that you can do at home in less than 10 minutes. These exercises work quickly to restore strength, upgrade stability, and bring back confidence in your body. Let's start with the first one. 1. Sit to stand, chair squat. This is more than an exercise, it's a direct link to your independence. Find a sturdy chair that won't slide. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and toes pointing straight ahead. Push your hips back as if you're about to sit. Lower yourself slowly and under control until you barely tap the seat. Don't relax or collapse into the chair. The moment you feel the seat, press through your heels and squeeze your glutes to rise back up tall. Begin with 5 repetitions, 3 times a week. It may feel tough at first, but stay consistent. Research shows this single movement is incredibly powerful. It builds essential leg strength, cuts fall risk by nearly 50%, and even improves the communication lines between your brain and muscles. Now let's move to the second exercise. 2. Wall push-ups. This is your foundation for upper body strength, something older adults desperately need but rarely train. Stand an arm's length from a wall. Place your hands flat at shoulder height, slightly wider than shoulder width. Bend your elbows and slowly lower your chest toward the wall, aiming for a 2-second descent. Keep your elbows at about a 45-degree angle, not flared outward. Once you reach the wall, push yourself back up with control. Try 8 to 10 repetitions. This simple motion strengthens your chest, shoulders, and triceps, the same muscles you rely on to lift yourself out of bed, carry groceries, and most importantly, brace yourself if you start to fall. Now for the final movement, the one that trains real-world balance. Exercise 3, calf raises. Your calves are often called your second heart because they help pump blood back to your upper body with every step. When they weaken, your legs can feel heavy, swollen, or tired. Studies in vascular health show that stronger calves can improve circulation by up to 30%, reducing swelling and restoring lightness to your stride. How to do it? Stand behind your chair, feet hip-width apart, toes facing forward. Rise slowly onto your toes, lifting your heels as high as feels comfortable. Pause at the top, then lower gently. Breathing. Inhale as you rise, exhale as you lower. Modifications. Beginner. Hold the chair with both hands. Rise just a little at first. Intermediate. Try single leg calf raises. Advanced. Pause at both the top and bottom for deeper engagement or try without holding the chair. Avoid bouncing or rolling your feet outward. Keep your lift straight through your big and second toe. Do 12 to 15 repetitions. Each lift boosts circulation, lightens fatigue, and brings energy back into your legs. Exercise 4, seated marching. It may look simple, but this movement rebuilds one of your body's most essential functions, coordination between your hips and core, the foundation of walk. Your hip flexors lift your legs every time you walk, climb stairs, or step over something. When they weaken, walking can start to feel like shuffling. Studies show that strengthening your hip flexors can improve walking speed and reduce fall risk by up to 25%. How to do it? Sit tall, feet flat. Lift your right knee toward your chest, just 2 to 4 inches. Lower with control, then switch legs. Breathing. Exhale as you lift, inhale as you lower. Modifications. Beginner. Lift just 1 to 2 inches. Intermediate. Pause 2 to 3 seconds at the top. Advanced. Add gentle resistance by pressing your hand lightly against your thigh. Avoid leaning back or slouching forward. Keep your posture tall. Alternate legs for 20 to 30 total lifts. You're retraining the brain-body connection that makes walking feel natural again. Exercise 3. Standing march with arm swing. You can lightly hold the back of a sturdy chair for support. Stand tall and lift your right knee toward your hip as your left arm swings forward, just like a slow, controlled march. Then switch sides, left knee up, right arm forward. Go for 30 seconds, rest briefly, and repeat 2 more times. This drill challenges and improves dynamic balance. It strengthens your core, the center of your stability, and fine-tunes the coordination between your brain and your legs, the exact connection that protects you from unexpected stumbles. And that's all it takes, 5 simple, powerful movements. No gym, no equipment, no long workouts, just consistency. 3 short sessions a week can start reversing weakness, rebuilding confidence, and helping you live the life you want, not the one fear forces you into. Before you go, I want you to try something right now. Wherever you are, stand up and do one sit to stand. Just one. Feel your muscles activate. Feel your body respond. That moment, that awareness, is the first step back to genuine functional strength. If this video helped you, please take a second to comment below. I'm starting today. I read every message personally, and it motivates me knowing these videos are making a difference. And if you could like this video, it helps YouTube show it to more people who need this information. Finally, share this video with someone you love, a parent, a friend, a neighbor. They may believe it's too late to get strong again, but you and I both know the truth. Strength isn't about age, strength is a choice. And today, you made yours. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.